Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to turn off Snapchat location. To turn off location sharing on Snapchat, follow these steps. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your phone. After that, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen to access your profile, and tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Snapchat setting. In settings, scroll down. In privacy control, you can see here see my location. Tap on it. After that, you will see the ghost mode section. When this ghost mode is enabled, your friends cannot see your location. Tap on it. From pop-up, tap on until turn off. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.